Now, say that my reason for setting a breakpoint at this particular line is because I think there might be something wrong going on in the scan double method. So if I have an idea where I think the bug might be, that's what I might do. So I set a breakpoint here, and then what I'd like to do is take a closer look at the scan double method, specifically this particular call to scan double. So if I debug, I'll stop right there. And then instead of using the step over button that I've been using, I can use step into to step into my method call like this. Now it goes down into the scan double method instead of stepping over it, and now I can step over the items in the scan double method. So if I do a couple of these, enter a number, here is the point where it's testing the input, so I need to enter something. 2.2. Now it's been able to test that. It does have a double on the input, so OK gets set to true. And now I can do a little bit of stepping. Now I'm checking while not OK, so I will exit out of the while loop. OK is set to true. Double X gets created right on this line and comes into being and is listed here. And now I will return it on the following line. Once I return, I'm back to where I called it, and then I can continue to step, or if I just feel like continuing, the execution of my program, I could click the continue button. Now I'm running again and enter a number, 1.1, yes, or number 2.2. Yes, etc. So I can continue in 3.3, and yeah. So as you can see, actually that's on. Oh, I was actually editing my previous run, which is kind of weird. This other one is still running. Yeah. Let's try that again. So here in this one, I am actually still waiting. So let me click the continue button. Would you like to enter another number? Yes. That was confusing. But it will continue and then hit that breakpoint again. If I want to shut off my breakpoint for now, I can just disable it, and then I can always get it back later. And then if I click the continue button, it will just continue as it was doing before. 2.2, no, there we go. So it was kind of weird. So what just happened before was I was hitting continue, but then I saw my other previous run of the program happening. So that was sort of weird, and that may happen to you. So if something weird like that is happening, just have a close look at what's happening in the console down here. If you lose your variables because you close them and you're wondering how you can get back there or so forth, you can always get them back from the window menu. They're under the debugging submenu, and then what's not showing on the edge of this video off to the right is there's a whole list of debugging related windows that you can get back, that you can choose. Now I'm going to add some arrays to this, and then we'll see what the debugger lets us do with arrays, which I think will help you very much on your bagels project, which is the next project.